Alright everyone, so I'm sure you guys wanted one of these for a while, so I'm going to give you one. And this time, we actually have two new planes in this video. So I'm going to show those. But first we're going to start with the cool section. Here are the grounded jets. The MAX 89, still grounded to this day. Here's the Triple Crown 1 Southwest 737-700. American 737-800 AirCal Headridge livery. United Express Q400 with real moving propellers. Virgin Australia 737 right here. Aero Mexico 787. Vietnam Airlines 787-9. Air Canada 777-300ER. Hawaiian A330-300. Alitalia 777-200, if it'll focus. Qantas A380. Emirates A380. Cathay Pacific 747-400. There's the box. It says Big Bird right there. Antonov 124, the second biggest aircraft in the world. Lufthansa Cargo MD-11. There's the box. Air China 777-300ER. Here it is. And here's the British Airways 747-400. If it'll focus. Sorry about that. There we go. Moving down, here is the American 787-8 and the American 777-300ER. There's the retired Southwest 737-300 with no winglets. There's the Southwest 737-800 and the retired Alaska 737-400. And here are the leftovers. Retired airline, US Airways A320. Retired airline as well, and AirTran 737. Frontier A319. JetBlue, Allegiant, and Spirit A320s. And here's the FedEx 777F. Here's the UPS 747-400. United 777-200ER. United 747-400ER. And moving up, here's the Deltas. Here's the retired 747-400, which everyone loves a lot. Delta 767-400, I have two of them. Delta MD-90, if it'll focus, sorry. There we go. Delta 737-800, and the Flying Pencil, the 757-300. Now we'll head over to this display. Here's the NASA plane, Air Force One, the Boeing C-130, the Space Shuttle, a fighter jet, Northwest Airlines 747, another Air Force One, and here is the ginormous American 777-200 luxury liner. It's humongous. I've had this in the storage room for a while, so I got it out. Here is the Boeing C-17 with the Indian Air Force. And here's a new plane. This is a Singapore Airlines A380. Have it on the stand. And this is also a new plane. Nick actually gave me this. This is an Iberia A350-900. And there's that German A319 right there. And there's another fighter jet. And there's some of my books. They'll focus. And there's some posters. Here's some Lego planes and some Transformers. And here's the main airport itself. Here's the retired US Airways A319 and the Arizona Cardinals livery. This is an awesome plane. I really like it. Here's the Airbus A380 factory from the factory. And over here is the Boeing 787-8 from the factory. There's a little plane. FedEx badge. These are the planes that actually used to come in your McDonald's Happy Meals. See, there's the McDonald's logo. They used to come in Happy Meals. There's a helicopter, Red Bull Airlines, paper planes, a damaged DC-10 right there. And here's the seaplane. I've ridden on one before. And there's the rubber band plane, which unfortunately is broken. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one now. We got 2 new planes. Oh gosh, it'll focus. I'm so sorry about that. There we go. So yeah, there's the 2 new planes right there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I apologize if I haven't posted in a while. I've been extremely busy and haven't been on YouTube much. So, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.